The sort of current exchanging volume of torrential slide for the most part is at $103,852,213 in an unpretentious manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support certainly remained at $13.68, showing how the truly current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $103,852,213 in an especially large manner. Torrential slide's EMA10 especially shows a kind of descending pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. 28 September 2023. In this article we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and fundamentally attempt to answer these oftentimes generally sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is by and large momentary cost expectation for torrential slide, in a real sense, is Avax for the most part wise speculation. Which for the most part is very huge. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, exhibiting that torrential slide's EMA10 generally shows a very descending pattern, or so they explicitly thought. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Avax specialized examination, especially let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807, which generally is genuinely huge. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $26,382,683,370, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally is very huge. Which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.72 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which generally is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions for the most part show that the market by and large is going in a very descending course for pretty present moment, or so they explicitly thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, general exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite huge manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which sort of is very huge. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers truly become substantially more truly dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors essentially become move in every practical sense, dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,057,668,317,807. Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The ongoing torrential slide cost generally is $9.17, with an exchanging volume of $103,852,213 in the all things considered recent hours in an especially significant way. At present, Avax by and large is up by 0.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,247,191,439 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost examination for 28 September 2023 inside an everyday time span, really made sense of underneath. So however prior to jumping certainly profound into the Avax specialized examination, generally let us in every way that really matters, discuss the all things considered, current economic situations, in a for the most part huge manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the torrential slight in an unpretentious manner in a real sense. While Avax's Williams %R marker by and large is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-part, the Avax United States dollar moving sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, pointer fundamentally is demonstrating an especially present moment in every practical sense. Sell truly signal is the MACD line by and large is moving beneath in every practical sense, signal line which truly implies sort of bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that similarly. Obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors really become move especially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing this sort of whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The torrential slight explicitly has truly break all its truly upholds levels, and things sort of are not searching in every practical sense, great for the crypto market, so market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807, or so they truly thought. Right now, for the most part bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively basically take Avax cost underneath the urgent help level of $14.76, showing that the torrential slide truly has generally break all its by and large backings levels and things for the most part are not looking commonly great for the crypto market, so market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to $1,057,668,317,807 in an unpretentious manner. The kind of relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin truly is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 29. Pretty further appearance how these occasions really show that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for commonly present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. Ends there for the most part had been a quite certain pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin will in a real sense proceed with its vertical development as kind of lengthy as it truly stays in the bright green.